Guys, sorry, there was some problem with my audio thing, and sorry, I've just started this now. uh yes, so the time is like 12:30. Yesterday also I have uploaded a video, and I was not able to put up the audio because there was some problem with the audio, so there was some type of a sound was coming up. uh Today is March 13th, the 12:30. The time already has passed a little bit. So let's just check that the S&P is doing really good today, and the Nvidia is the only one who's down, but all other things are really up, which is great news. And the goal is just to make $500. That should be very good money. And here you go. Good luck for today, and please join the family. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and let's just see what we can do for today. So thinking to buy right now, buying options for SPY, holding at present 12 options holding up, holding 12 options. So this is a 1 minute chart. Somehow it was like a 90 days. Okay, there you go. But here you go. This is kind of like a little bit of tricky thing. Like most of the time, like I said, I don't like this sliding thing. It's going to be sliding more and more and more and more. So I want to see how this kind of stuff is getting form up or form down. But yes, you have to be careful for this one. I don't want to buy the dip, because like I said, you have to be careful for this one. If it break that, then I'm going to buy more. But you see, this is like I said, so somebody sold a very big chunk of it right over here. A very big chunk of it, that's what it is. So right now they're still kind of like accumulating it, so it's very important. And there you go, this candle has settled below as well, so I don't want to buy anymore. I'm just trying to hold at this moment in time. I just want to hold my 12 options. I want to see how they are doing, because this is a very tricky thing right now. So a lot of time those like they can just slide down slowly, you can slide down. But right now this candle has set went touch below that lower and came up, so I want to buy the dip, because that's how I'm going to recover my money over here. And if not, then it will be a problem. Like I said, I need to set up my half key, selling half of it. So at this point I'm buying more, because that's like a very good dip, and it came up so and settled above, so that's like a buy thing. But what I'm trying to say, there you go. So like I said, it was a buy thing, and it just jumped up. So yes, I need to set up my key, which is like a half selling key sometime, because that's how I recover my money if I'm getting into a downside position and the losses become really big. I don't want to sell the full of it. I want to sell half of it and accumulate again, just like the market is also like accumulating and then rip off. So yes, this candle is kind of like the same, went up, but okay, this is good. This is a good sign. So far my goal is not to hold a lot of options. My goal is to bring this small account to a decent size basically, and to make $500 and basically moving out. $500 is the goal. Nothing much. If I can make it more, that's still good, but yes, I like to keep my $500 target right now. So far I'm up $19 and I'm just kind of watching. I don't want to buy more. I don't want to buy more. So this can be like I said, somebody sold a big part of it right over there, and then somebody else is trying to sell this as well, but it's kind of accumulating, and like I said, this can be a very tricky still. But it did break over here, but somebody sold it over there as well. So there is like a high frequency trader right over there who is like selling it. So I bought 2 more. At present I'm holding 22 options of call for SPY. It cost me 88 cents. So multiply that to a dollar, guys. So 88 multiplied by 22 options, how much it needs for me to make $500, you'll come to know. So what is the account challenge and everything, you know, how much money I've been using basically. So the goal is to sell right over there somewhere on like 402.25. So no doubt somebody sold a big chunk of it, no doubt about it. So you see, that's, it's not it's kind of still kind of accumulating, and I want to see how this candle has been settling, because this candle is a very key point for me. This candle is a very key point. So probably gonna buy one more at this moment in time. So I'm holding 24 options, guys. 24 options, and I'm up kind of like a $12 up and $12 down basically. So 36 loss, $60 loss at this moment in time, but I did not sell it yet. I'm still kind of waiting, watching because I'm still believing this should go up. And I'm still kind of like watching that. At the same time I'm watching the time as well, like 40 seconds, and this candle looks like we're going to settle above, which will be a great news. If it did, then it will be a very good news. So that way, that's like a confirmation again to buy basically. If I don't want to show you guys how I'm really doing this, so my goal was not to do like a small account thing to grow this account, then I would have like just bought it right over there. So there you go, that's what I'm talking about, you see. So this, it was a very good confirmation to buy again. So they have already accumulated a lot of shares right over there probably, but yes, someone is selling it right over there. You need to learn to spot those guys. I sold it at this point. I'm up $96, but I sold it, yes, because I know someone is like selling it right over there. So we are in a very good situation. You know why I say it's a good situation? Because it's a case study for you. If you did not understand, it is a very good case study for you if you did not understand this part, because someone is selling it right over there as well. Okay, I'm going to buy at this moment. I want to see it coming down a little bit, and I'm going to holding 4 options. But more, So that seller looks like moved out. He's done with selling, and it should go to 4 or 2.25 cents. 402.25. I'm holding at this moment in time 8 options again. There you go. I'm about to hit that target, and come on. Yes. There you go. Probably might take over that as well, but I want to sell it right now. $120 up. $120 up. Like I said, you have to be very, very, very fast and quick, because I saw that it might turn down. So this can be there can be like more sellers right over here. So watching it, how this is settling up or down. Basically, it's kind of very, very important. So I'm gonna watch. Okay, I'm gonna buy now because came up. I'm holding 4. If it comes down, I'm going to buy, accumulate more, because I'm pretty much sure this will going to come up. I'm holding 8 options. 8 options right now. Even if you saw me taking out that small profit from $90 to $120, this is how you need to grow your account. Basically, you don't have to wait till it like become like this, or when you see some money already accumulate, and you should know, if you know how to run this candlestick, like how they are really working and all, this then it's very good for you to accumulate money. God, it's kind of coming down, so I'm gonna watch. Because my and there's another reason also. I don't want to buy more, and don't want to make a big this accumulation. Like I said, like my half key is not working. I need to call the broker, and I need to set up that half key again. So God, no. Somebody else is selling it right over there. Somebody else sold a big chunk of it as well. So it's kind of like still accumulating at this moment in time. Came up. I don't want to. Okay. I want to see if this candle come down, and then I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna buy more. Okay, I'm gonna buy more. At this point, I'm holding 14 options. So and I'm up $100 so far, not more. And this is kind of like that parent right over here, which we're going to take off that 402.25 level, pretty much sure. And if it did, that will be great. At this moment in time, the time is about, this candlestick is about to close, because like 26. All right, there you go, closed. So it's already touched that 402.25, but I'm pretty much sure this should go about that. So that's the reason I'm holding 14 options. And God. Come on. Take that level. And I don't want this candle to go on the sideways direction. I don't want this accumulation again. This accumulation part again, which I don't like it. No. No. This can be a very this kind of setup can already turn into a bearish one very quickly. So anyway, but I'm pretty much sure this will go up anyway. It should go up anyway. So I'm kind of positive things because it's been like while we don't have a green day, you know, it's been like a red, and today it just jumped up. S&P has just jumped up, so the session is good, but at the same time, I don't, like I said, I don't want to buy this. If my half key was working, I would have bought it, but my half key is not working, and I don't want to buy more at the same time. At the same time, I don't want to sell also because I'm not holding that many options. But if it breaks that level, I have to do it very quickly, because then I said, you know, like that seller is still kind of like selling. He's like getting out of his positions unless then we have like a big guy who is holding like millions of dollars who step in and take this market on top. So this is kind of very good to buy because came up. If you see this, but I did not buy yet. I'm still holding my 14 options. Guys, just to let you know, trading is risky, and if you don't have that risk capital to lose, you should not trade any type of a market. Not a option, not a trading, not a crypto, not a forex. So trading is risky. I don't suggest you're going to win money or you're going to make money. So please do your own research before you trade. That's a disclaimer, just to let you guys know. All right, at this point I'm buying it. So I'm holding 20 options at this moment in time. 20 options. Come on. I'm holding 20 options. Come on. Move up. Don't break that level. That is a key level basically. And that time the candle is settling below, I guess. So this is kind of like the one I don't like to see because of the timing and that support and resistance level basically at this point. And so support is something is I hope it holds that support because that is a very important level for me, because there is a no doubt about it, there is a seller right over there at $4.25. He is selling it, he's taking his profit right over there. So my goal is like right now to make, and I'm holding 28 options. I bought some more at this point because I feel like that's still kind of support right over there. Patience is the key a lot of time, like I did not sell it because I'm working on the small accounting. So I want to prove to you guys how you can make, not how I can make, how you guys can make it. Like, holding a small account also, you can accumulate a lot of money on the stock market, basically. And there you go. It's kind of moving up, and looks like it already bought a lot of shares right over there. Accumulation was been done very nicely, and holding 28 options. So I was like done $150 at some point, and it's been 20 minutes so far trading, and let's just watch. I'm just waiting, watching it. I don't want to buy anymore. Like I said, I want to keep it below 30 to 40 options. Like my way of like it's like the same thing like a stock market. Whatever the stock market is doing, like if it goes down, I accumulate. Stock market is accumulating too. So like the same thing, like that becomes like a dollar averaging. Basically, I'm averaging my dollar. So come on, move up, come on. If I'm not talking, guys, that means I'm still kind of watching my screen very well. I'm like laser focus on it. So just to let you guys know, if I'm not talking, that means I'm not I did not move out from my desk or something. I'm still kind of laser focused. And let's just watch. I'm waiting. This is what I don't like. I'm probably gonna probably want to sell this, but God, I don't want to sell it as well. So I really need to call my broker and set up that half selling key, basically, because that half selling key is a key. Again, a lot of time I try to sell the half of it and then accumulate more. God, no. See, and these options are like very, very risky, because since I even bought this option, some of them right over here, but still my account is turning into red because of that reason. That's like that option is like losing money every single time, even if it drops a little bit. Like it did not drop that much, but it turn into red very, very quickly. So you have to be very, very careful with this option. And today is Friday, so another day, like the options are getting expired. The options are getting expired very quickly, no doubt about it. So today is Friday, like I said, like these options can be like, I'm buying more, holding 36 right now. God, no. Come on, I wanted to settle above. And like I said, those are Friday's options, like going to melt down. Like even if it going up, it will going to melt very fast. Like you see, God. Right now, before that, I was like just losing this much, but came down very, very quickly. So Friday is kind of like a little bit danger on the option side. That's what I can tell you. Come on. Give me my $500. 42, which is very good. 45 seconds ago. Come on, make that new high. Make that new high. Come on, make that new high today, and take me out. I sold it, $114, because that's kind of like it's coming down. I keep on accumulating. I'm gonna buy it because at this point I want to make sure that I am making money. I want to make money, no doubt about it. But I don't want to turn my account into red again and again. So I'm buying it. I'm holding 4 options. Bought more. Holding 6. Holding 6 options, which is nothing in order to move this. Goal is to make $500 again. My goal is to make $500, so it's very, very important for me to make it with a small move. So I'm holding it, so I don't have to worry. If it comes down, I'm going to accumulate a little bit more, but if it goes up, then I'm going to wait. That option is not moving at all. I'm probably gonna sell that option, and I'm going to change my options totally at this moment in time, because I want to see which is like moving very quickly. So this candlestick should be able to break that up side and run up. If it doesn't run up, that means it's going to be a problem. That means there is a seller right over there. There can be a seller right over there. So okay, it's running, but I want to see if someone is selling it or not, because that's the key. Okay, come on. Okay, I sold it because this can be turned down very, very quickly, and at the same time I would like to change my option at this moment in time. I want to see which one is like moving up or moving down. So this is like little kind of like I want to buy the other ones. Come on, don't go without me. Come on, don't go without me. God, don't go without me. Come on, come down a little bit now. I'm gonna watch for that setup again. Like I said, like there is a seller right over there, no doubt about it, who's trying to take up his profit. There's someone who's trying to take his profit, of course. I want to see how this is forming at this moment in time. I am buying a little bit of expensive option at this moment in time. Because those options, whatever I bought it, they were not moving according to the market. There's not a lot of things basically it go into a play when I pick those options. So very, very important. You should know about this. These things are very, very important. I'm watching it whether to buy at this moment or not. So because I'm buying a little bit of higher value options at this moment in time. Okay, I want to buy it at this moment in time. Holding 8 options, they are like $1.72. A little bit expensive. See, this option will go and turn your account into red very fast as well. So if it did, so it's a very good case study for you to understand about the risk. So I'm holding 8 options at this moment in time. Holding 8 options. And like I said, the Friday is the one who's like killing these options very quickly. Even if you don't trade on Friday, that can be a very good day also, because guess what? That means you saved your money. You made your money. That's what I can even tell you. You know, because that's a smart move also by not trading on Friday options. That's what I can tell you. But these Friday options are very risky. At the same time, this Friday option can make you crazy money, crazy money. No doubt about it. So yes, that can be a bias. I'm holding 12, and you can take that 402.50 cents, 10 cents move. Come on, 10 cents move can give me a very good another very good profit basically. So far I'm up $170. I'm not watching anymore right over here. I'm watching right over here at my PNL. Come on, I don't want you to accumulate too much. Come on, yes, bring it like a spring up. So I'm probably gonna buy a little bit more, but at the same time I want to be very cautious about this. Like I said, these are a little bit expensive option, $1.72, and I'm holding already 12 options. So it's kind of like a spring. It's like coming up and down. I'm holding 14 options at this moment in time. This can wipe out my profit, whatever I made, very quickly. So you have to be very quick for this one. No joke about it. Even like 10-20 cents move, these options are like very likely to move up. Okay. Come on, give me that. Sold, guys. $120 up. So far 280 is my profit level, and sold it on the spot. And let's just watch any other options, or maybe we can change the date of these options. Otherwise, like because these options are like a very too risky. That's what I can use the word for them. Too risky to trade. These options are very too risky to trade, no doubt about it. But you have to be very cautious regarding these options. So like I said, they are Friday. I don't like these options also. They are not moving that much. God. Okay, I'm moving it back to the same options, keeping to the same one, basically keeping it to the same one. And looks like there's a very good buy opportunity because somebody just bought the dip, and there you go. It's going up, it's going up, it's going up. Come on, it just took off, and it want to go up, no doubt about it. At this point I'm holding more. Okay, something happened, some type of break came in. Come on, move, 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 move up, move up, up, up. I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna hold this because I'm pretty much sure this will gonna take off. Like I said, remember they like the sliding thing, and this is kind of very good case study, like a bullish one, and it will gonna go off. And they should be able to take off everything, no doubt about it. Are we gonna make good money today? I'm gonna sell it right over there, probably 403. 403, that's what I'm looking for, 403, because I already passed my mark, basically $500 mark, and I'm looking for 403. 403. I'm holding it, I'm not selling it. I'm holding 16 options at this moment in time, guys. 16 options at this moment in time, and there's no seller at this moment in time, no hidden seller or nothing like that, but I'm looking for 403. That's the target. That's the target for 403. That's what I'm looking for, 403. If I hit 403 today, I'll be moving out. I have already passed my target right now, $500 a share, but yes, 148 and 44 options, and 44 option will be sold at this moment, I guess, like 148 and plus, like that. I think we're gonna make very good money, so it will be covered up. The options will be probably like somewhere on like 220. So whatever the above money is, like we should able to make $500 mark very good with the. Please join the family, hit the subscribe button, guys. And this is a very good case study. Again, my target is 403. 403. Come on, give me that. I'm holding 16 options. Holding 16 options. We can hit that target very easily because there's the way it was moving. There's no seller. There is no seller. No one is selling it. They are buying it. This is the game. You need to understand very quickly if there's a seller or there's a buyer. The algorithm also understand this very nice. So yes, come on, don't accumulate. Oh god, don't accumulate at this moment in time. Give me 403. Give me 403, please. I don't want to buy more. Don't accumulate too much, man. Don't accumulate too much. I don't like this accumulation, like, because sometime if there's a guy who decided to sell, it will gonna turn into ugly very quickly. So looking for 403. Above 403 I will go and sell this, no doubt about it. 403 will be a very good. My fingers are right on my button. 403. Come on, give me 403. 403. Come on, give me 403. I'm about $600 today. Almost like 700. It's coming in and out. In and out. Come on, give me 403. 403. 403. 403. Come on, give me that. Give me that 403. Give me that. Give me that 403. 403. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 5 cents more. 5 cents more. 2 cents more. 2 cents more. Come on. Come on, 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 come on. 403. Come on. Yes, yes, yes.